Hello everyone, thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk a little bit about your national AI policies and in general what's happening on AI governance around the world. One of the key things that I am observing is that while there is technology and financial deepening from big companies around the world, the gains from this technology and financial deepening is not translating to household productivity and welfare. This is something that we have observed earlier in industrial Britain and is called Engels pauses. Engels pauses is this story where you can do a lot of technological deepening that happened in industrial Britain in 19th century, but people on the ground, households, did not see the welfare gains translating into their daily livings. And we are seeing a repetition of this also in the context of AI economy. And the conversation then has to be how you can design public policies such that you can extricate economies out of Engels pauses in an AI ecosystem. So for a context like yours, there are three immediate recommendations. One is a skilling environment that gives you new skills around artificial intelligence and helps people to stay digitally relevant. The second story that you have to think about is if you are not able to do this fast enough, the skilling story, then you have to ponder about how to mitigate the suffering folks might be getting because AI is going to displace jobs. The way to mitigate suffering, there are some standard recipes here. You can create what is called as robot or automation taxes, which can be redistributed back to society to take care of people going out of jobs or feeling displaced with jobs. And relatedly, you can also think of a universal basic income scheme, which can give some sort of an insurance in their living standards while the economy transitions from a non-AI to an AI environment. The last thing to think about is also of AI as a public good, such that the technologically intensive compute infrastructure that you might need is available to everybody in society and not just to some elite entrepreneurs. So thinking of AI as a public good and compute infrastructure as a public good is an important way to extricate economies out of Engels pauses. That's basically the conversation we should be having everywhere in the world, including in your region, which is that it's amazing to be hyped about AI and see a lot of technological deepening, but it's also important to translate those hypes into real gains that households might have. And if that's not happening, governance and public policy can help through skilling, through robot taxes or automation taxes or universal basic income scheme, or by pondering AI and compute infrastructure as a public good endeavor. I wish you all the best in the conference, and please stay in touch, and all my best wishes to your ecosystem in creating an AI-empowered sustainable economic development plan in the region. Thank you very much.